would you recommend the use of crypto.com given all its perks? Okay, crypto.com. So we do have that in our system. So I don't think it got a good score last time I checked. I know it's high up in the market cap rank. Yeah, technology wise and fundamental wise, it's not really good, but TA is good right now. So as a speculative trade, it's basically bullish. So short term, basically trade it in and out, but not really holding for the long term. But looking at the performance metrics, year to date, 214%. In the last 6 months, 257%. So I mean, look at this. It has been performing pretty well in 2020 versus BTC. All right, so it's definitely, I mean, something has definitely been happening, right? Despite what our team thinks. So definitely do your own research as usual. I mean, but going to your question, would I recommend the use of crypto.com? I mean, I know lots of people are talking about it. I know lots of YouTubers talk about it. But if we pull it up here and see what they really do, I mean, I myself don't use it. So let's take a look here, right? So buy, sell, and pay with crypto. So, okay, so they have an exchange. I mean, but I don't really know why people would use this exchange when you have Binance and Coinbase. But okay, maybe people who aren't really traders would just want to kind of make a trade on with a very limited number of cryptocurrencies or altcoins that maybe where trading volume is not so much of a deal. So I would say maybe somebody with a smaller portfolio, maybe that is a good fit. Okay. Crypto wallet, buy 45 coins at true cost, no fees, no markups. Okay, that is interesting, no fees. So maybe that's why. Cards. So they give you crypto cards. Okay. I mean, I already have a BitPay card that I rarely use. So this isn't really something attractive to me, but could be attractive to people, maybe in different regions. I think BitPay is only in the US. I'm not sure. Now, this it says UK, US, Singapore. Okay, if they have the titanium cards, kind of like the Amex Platinum, that's cool. Actually, do I have my card here? The one that, yeah, okay, I do have it here. The one that Bobby Lee gave me. So it looks like it's something kind of like this. So this is a Bitcoin card. This is the Ballot crypto wallet. I still haven't used it, but it's cool. It's hard. I mean, harder than any. I mean, this can kill somebody. I mean, this can. I mean, this is a deadly weapon. But anyway, jokes aside, back to this. So you can also earn 8% annually on your crypto, which is good. So this is kind of like what Celsius does. Okay, I mean, so it definitely does seem to have a utility for people who want to kind of combine lots of things into one application, get credit. So this part is definitely cool, kind of like with Celsius and with DeFi and other platforms like BlockFi as well, borrow money without having to sell your crypto and then invest. Okay, I mean, so, I mean, okay, looking at all of that, I can definitely see why some people like it. Now, whether we like what we were looking at is purely the token. Okay, but if we put the token aside, the company and the business looks legit. I mean, first of all, this used to be called Monaco a while back. Then they rebranded and got this, I mean, one of the best domains ever, crypto.com. I mean, so that was definitely a win. That was a slam dunk. Looking at the traffic, with a domain like that, they're getting 1.79 million visitors a month. So it's definitely legit. Okay, I mean, so as a company, as an app, I mean, definitely looks legit. So, I mean, I've never used it personally, so I can't comment on whether I would use it, right? But looking at what I know from just the website and the current adoption, definitely looks like they're building a pretty credible business and good business. But the token, I mean, I can't really comment on that. I mean, kind of like with Celsius. Celsius is a good company I like. We've had Alex on the show before, actually twice. This year and about 2 years back. But the token, we're not so positive and bullish in the token, but the business itself, I mean, both are legit. I know Celsius announced they had $1 billion in assets under management. But yeah, I mean, crypto.com looks legit for anybody who wants to use it. The token, I'm not so sure about that. Definitely do your own research on that. Cryptocurrency investing is risky, so it's not financial advice. But if you want to just use the wallet to store crypto, makes a few trades, borrow money, lend money, I mean, it looks like it's definitely a good centralized finance option. Let me know what you think. Do you use crypto.com? Is it good? Do you have a positive experience about it? Have you had a bad experience with it? Let all of us know your thoughts in the comment down below.